Hey guys, welcome back. The guests, the guest hotel customer service specialist is hiring for Princess Cruises, Holland, American Line, Seabourn, and P&O Cruise Australia, etc. So basically, your role would be a guest hotel inventory management, monitoring sales levels and appropriate times, requested additional rooms from hotels, seeking new different hotels as needed. Also, guys, this position pays very well. And these are the benefits that come along with it. And you are 100% fully remote. And the base hourly pay is 18 to $24 an hour. And yeah, you know the drill. The link is in the description box down below. Good luck to you if you're interested in these positions, because these positions do not last, guys.